You might have heard of the term called data warehouse, but did you ever think how it is different from a database? Let's take a very simple example to understand that better. Think of DMart or Big Bazaar. They have shops all over the city. These shops handle daily customer transactions like purchase, refund, and complaints. These shops are just like a typical database. They are meant to handle a lot of customer transactions in real time while maintaining highest levels of speed and data correctness. But before the things arrives into these shops, you might know this DMart or Big Bazaar might have a really big central warehouse. So what does this warehouse do? First, it will collect things from various different sources, various different vendors and suppliers. Second, it can handle huge amount of stock, huge amount of things it can store for months. Number 3, it provides ability to look at the stock, to look at the demand and perform prediction of what is required. Now, these data warehouses are not meant for handling thousands of customer transactions. Rather, they are meant for performing analysis on huge amount of data or huge amount of things which are stored at the warehouse. And that is the actual difference between a warehouse and a database. While database is meant for handling real-time, fast, thousands of small transactions, data warehouses are meant for handling lesser amount of transactions but on huge amount of data. Now, AWS offers a data warehouse service called AWS Redshift. It gives you lot of superpowers. Number 1, it gives you serverless offering. You need not procure or configure any servers. You just pay for how much ever you use. Number 2, it offers you out-of-the-box integration with other AWS services like S3, IAM, etc. Now, if you want to know about S3 and IAM, do check out the short videos what we had made earlier. Number 3, it provides you out-of-the-box logging, dashboarding, and even recommendation based on your usage. Number 4, it has lot of different flexible options for you to choose from based on your performance and cost needs. It also offers you automated upgrades and even security patches. It also has the ability to perform automated backups and you can restore from the backup in case of a data corruption. What we learned so far is the basics of AWS Redshift. Do subscribe to our channel if you have not already done so that you can learn about many more AWS services all under 5 minutes. See you in the next video. Bye bye.